Last year, sometimes last year, Northlands, owned by the Kenyattas, was attacked. Sheep stolen. Bad things happened. The police never did anything. And that was associated with some leaders, Madam Speaker. Kenyatta may not have been a saint. President Kenyatta Jomo may not have been a saint. But Madam Speaker, he was the first president of this country. Madam Speaker, he can cast this country from his grave. And this is something that we should take very seriously, Madam Speaker. There have been claims, Madam Speaker. We do not know how true they are.
Sen Nyotho, there were some ground rules laid before, and I think you wish to abide by them if you were well advised by the majority leader.
Madam Speaker, we said we are just reflecting, and if we want to know how we can heal this nation. So, Madam Speaker, I think these are things that we need to look into. When the former President Uhuru Kenyatta claims, rightly or wrongly, that he's not getting his benefits, Madam Speaker, that's another curse that can befall us. When we are told that security has been withdrawn from the First Lady, Madam Speaker, this can also cause a curse. So what do I suggest that we do, Madam Speaker? Let us...
Senator Nyotho, the guidance I have given you is we were to avoid names in the debates so that you do not personalize.
Okay.
That was the ground rule that was given.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Then I'm well guided.
One minute for you to finish.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I'm suggesting, Madam Speaker, because I love this country, and I cry for this country, Madam Speaker. Can we approach the people that I have mentioned? Can we apologize to them? Can we seek that they lift any curse that they may be having against this nation, Madam Speaker? Because we must speak, Madam Speaker, let us approach these people. Tell them if we wronged you, we are sorry. If you have spelled any curse on this nation, we persuade you. We beseech you, please lift any such curse that may have been here, because we want our nation to heal, Madam Speaker, and we must do everything, whatever we do, whoever we talk to, but our nation must heal. Madam Speaker, I support and thank you for even the extension of time. Thank you very much.